Here we go, guys. It's starting to rain where I'm standing by myself. No sweater at all, just wearing a t-shirt. This is the type of moment I like. Let it rain, guys, let it rain. Because you know that I'm going to enjoy the moment. Passing it by myself. It's worth it. Nothing can beat. Nothing at all. But maybe tomorrow will be a better day. It better be a better day tomorrow. Whoever's not coming tomorrow, don't bother me. But I know one thing, I'm gonna keep my head down. But I always listen to music just to keep me focused. Or sometimes I just play games for a reason. But anyway, let it rain, guys, let it rain. This is the satisfying part where the rain comes down and me chilling like nothing ever happened. That's all I care about. A little bit tired, but the rain is gonna keep me calm, you know. Nothing will bother me if it's about the rain. Anyways, look, let me move a little bit over here by the side. I'm gonna show you guys the cloud over here. Big cloud, and we're on top of another one right now. Rain clouds. Well, one last thing to do is that let it rain, because it's going to start raining hard right now, and I'm just standing out here. Let it happen. Let your mind set off, but your body will relax towards the water of the rain. And I'm just chilling down. Very relaxing. Just coming out. There we go, there we go. The water's coming down more faster. Very interesting. And then we have this one right here. She's just sitting down on the floor,